Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday, and today we're going to be looking at how to motor through your YouTube videos. The ones, the podcasts where there's lots of banter, or the tutorials that you're looking at that you know most of the things, but there's just a few key pieces, and it's not, if the YouTube video has not been chaptered, then this can be a really great way to get through it. So first you're going to need to start in the Chrome browser, which is what I've got here. And then you'll see that I've got this Chrome extension installed called Video Speed Controller. And once you've got that installed, we're just going to do, oops, I already hit it. A little, okay, so that is at normal speed, just a little example. Then you can go down to your YouTube settings right down here, and you're going to hit the playback speed. Oh, that was 1 point. Okay, let's go back to the normal speed. So we're going to do a little testing. So I got to get rid of this. Okay, this is normal speed. Okay, so that is me rambling on. If you want to get through that a little faster, you're going to hit, you could hit 1.25 and see how that goes. All right, so that's 1.25, and then you can even go up to, I like 1.5. And then, of course, you can go back to normal when you hit the part that's relevant to you. So here's 1.5. And then if you really want to motor through, I find it harder to listen to, but you just get better at it as you go. Here's 1.75, and then you can also do double speed. So that can really help you get through that filler conversation that often happens on podcasts. Great. So if you have a question or a concern or something that's giving you a challenge, please drop it in the comments below, and I will gladly see if I can find a solution for you. Have a great day.